Hi friends, I don't know about you, but when it comes to the holidays, one of the things that comes to mind for me are pomegranates. And these are something that baffle a lot of people. And for many years, I was extremely baffled on how to get those little red seeds out. And I would try everything. I'd cut it in half, I'd bang it, I'd do all those things that people tell you to do. And to be frank with you, not many of them worked. Recently, I saw a lady who owns a pomegranate farm on Facebook, maybe, or maybe YouTube. And she showed a brilliant way to get these seeds out. And I want to show that to you. So here we go. We're going to take the pomegranate with this, it's like a little nipple side up. Okay, the bottom is the smooth side. This side up. And what you're going to do is take your knife and you're going to make a slice like a cap all the way around. And then we're going to remove that cap and you're going to see what's inside. Oh, I may have gone a little high. But, okay, so now we've got the slice all the way around. And I'm just going to lift this guy up, loosen it a little, and then pull it off. And then I'll show you what she showed in her video. And if you are that lady and you see this, please contact me. I want to give you full credit. I've been searching and searching. I can't find that video. So what you do is you remove this top piece. You take this whole thing off, and what you're left with is this. Oops, I just dropped a seed. Housekeeping will be coming shortly, I'm sure. So what you're going to see inside, this one isn't very clear, but it's incredibly juicy. You're going to see divisions like a flower in here. And what you do is you cut in those divisions and you cut down, and then we're going to cut over here. I'm going to make another one. And you will see how this opens up so beautifully. And you can pull all of those seeds out with that glorious juice. And then you just divide it. You just pull it open. Now, part of this is a little bit overripe and gone, so I'll remove it. But look at that. Look at how easy that was to remove all of those seeds. Sadly, when I cut through this pomegranate, the majority of it was rotted, but there was a section that was good. And I'm going to show you what we do here. You just pull all of these from the white membrane. You just, with your fingers, gently release them. They come flying out, and you will have a plate full of these wonderful pomegranate seeds. I think there's a technical word for them, but I don't know what it is. So I have avoided all of the rotted area, and I'm coming down here. Now, this is another thing I wanted to show you. This is the membrane, which pulls right out. The membrane pulls right off, exposing these gorgeous seeds. So that's all you have to do. And you will have a lovely plate of pomegranate seeds that are a lot easier to access than all the other methods I've tried. Again, if you are that lady, please contact me. I want to give you full credit in the credits in the description for how to do this. These are wonderful. Thank you, Carolyn from BomboloneandBiscotti, and happy holidays to you. This shirt is from Life is Good. I love them as well. And I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful holiday season. Don't forget to hit the like button on this, subscribe if you haven't already on my YouTube channel. And thank you. I'm grateful for all of you. This is Carolyn from BomboloneandBiscotti.